guys, I am back again. I am gonna show you my talents. You. Guys, just join my live. Join. If you are new here, just join. Join my live. But anyways, guys, just join me live for a few minutes before I go out, because if I go out of this room, it is chai for you, my babes. It is chai for everybody. Sanibona bakithi. Oh, bakithi Nkosi yami. No, God. Ninga request, guys, Ninga request. I'm live for only like a few minutes. Like only 5 minutes. Literally 5 minutes. Strictly 5 minutes. Hi. Bye. Guys, please don't request, okay? Do not. Oh my effing God. Chomi. Chomi. And say Chomi. But guys, welcome to my live. Welcome. And motherfucking goodbye. Because what the fuck do you mean I must be live for so long? I'm gonna be live tomorrow. Literally tomorrow. I don't know. But I'll make time. And we're gonna go live tomorrow. Yeah, I think I look good. I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna come back now. I'm gonna come back. The network iyahlupa. OMG. Belinkhumbulile. Guys, you can't miss me that much. What the actual fuck? OOTD. Okay, guys, OOTD. Actually, OOTN, because this is my outfit of the night. So, this is what I'm wearing. My top is from Shein. My belt is from H&M. Also, this is from a skirt from Foschini. And then these pants. What is this now? But like, yeah, these pants are from, what is it called? The Fix. And then my heels are also from The Fix. I got them a long time ago. Yeah, they blue 2 years ago. Also, these heels, I got them 2 years ago. So, Spay, where are you going? Guys, no. What are you saying, Dando? When you so what? Wait. Ukhuluma isingisi Spay une drama. Guys, I'm not drama, but I'm just trying to show you guys my outfit of the night. Because I went out with my friend, so obviously I have to show you guys my outfit. This is my moment at bathroom, so I just had to show you guys. I know I've been offline for too long. I was just letting the devil do its work, okay? Basically, the Usathane ayenze umsebenzi wakhe, and then when Usathane is done, then we can go live. But like, yeah, this is my OOTD, OOTN, because it's outfit of the night. You get it? Oh, Shaya, turn around. Oh my gosh, what an honor. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna leave you guys right now. Whatever is happening right now, you know, yeah. But anyways, this is my OOT and show that booty. But anyways, guys, let me go. I'm gonna go live again. Can you see the heels properly? Yo, guys, now, Mara, I don't know if you guys can see properly, but it's just simple heels, guys. I don't know. It's just simple heels. Nothing hectic. Waphuma ngingena ngiyahamba bakithi isikhathi asikho. I had to take the 2 minutes enginayo just to come here and show you guys my outfit of the night. Nothing hectic, nothing crazy. You know, yeah. Umthathephi umnganakho. Angisho ngiyazi ukuthi mina ngidila nabantu abama real deal. Yo, guys, I don't even know where to put my phone. But as you guys know, ngidila nabantu abama real deal. Not just pathetic people, you know? Sibonga isikhathi esincane esinaso, ngisa i-tights kanye ne-bottom. No, iyelele vele ibhuko lami liyabonakala la exact. So I can't, yabo. I'm not even gonna hide it from you guys. Une-tights ngaphansi, yabo. Because I'm tired ukuthi kubonakala ukuthi umzimba wami unjani. So it's better if I wear a tight underneath and then I wear pants on top. Does it make sense to you? Njengomalume, njengesithandwa sami, baby. But anyways, guys, I'm in a battery. I'm gonna go and try and charge my phone. And then I'm gonna go live maybe tomorrow or the next day. I don't know. Yeah, but guys, ningathi ngilahlile ne. Angilahlanga guys. I love you guys so fucking much. Ukuthula kwami doesn't mean that I don't love you guys. I love you guys so effing much. You look like you can. I'm very kind, but people take me for granted. Like people take me for shit, but like it's okay. You know, it's okay. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the night, and that's it. I'm gonna come back tomorrow or maybe next week. I don't know. So that guys, as umdeni wala ikhaya sizokwazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. But right now, I'm gonna call umalume wenu just to tell him that I'm going home. Okay, just to make things easy. Yeah, cause obasathane baningi out here. Next week, people take me for granted. Bangithatha ngathi ngushiboshi. Bangithatha ngathi ngushiti. But it's okay, cause like Kibuphilo, Wayitibuphilo has its own like ups and downs. Mara, I'm gonna come back, guys. I'm gonna come back maybe like tomorrow, and I'm gonna go live and sikhulume ngahle. Cause I know you guys have a lot of questions about whatever. I don't know, but we are proud of you, girl. From 2285 Embalente, my people. I love you guys so much. Did you guys break up? Break up, ungafa. So hlukaniswa ukufa. But anyways, let me just go before I say some shitty shit. You get what I mean? Yeah, guys. But like, anyways, let me love and leave you. I'm gonna come back. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna go live tomorrow or maybe the day after tomorrow. Cause I have a lot of clients since I was closed. My business was closed for 2 weeks. I couldn't take appointments. So now abantu abaningi bayeza, and I can't even take what is it called? A video. Wow, I'm gonna install it because I don't have time. But I'm gonna come back. But it's okay, guys, whatever the case may be. Bye. I'm gonna see you guys. Hey Galo. I'm gonna go live. Name? Okay, tinkhuluma isiZulu ngoba phela isilungu siyinkinga, but ngizoba live maybe next week, cause baningi abantu abafuna ukwenza amakhanda and I don't have that time. Like isikhathi sincane, yabo. Do you have a Facebook account? I don't have a Facebook account. I don't have it, but yeah, you know, if you are at the right places, ne, suhamba. Guys, I have to go. I have no choice but to go. I literally don't have any choice but to go next week. So no, I had to like. Sometimes you just have to let the devil do his work before you do your own work. But anyways, I'm gonna see you guys. I don't know when, but I'll see. Ngizoba live again. Niyazi anginxishi umgosi. Ngizobuya nawo umgosi, but not now. For now, let me just go and enjoy life while it's still at like its best. Yeah, let me go and enjoy. Where umsindo. Awukahle wena siya, awukahle. Anikho endaweni right. Mungekho sentini at this time. Awukho endaweni is right. But anyways, let me go. I'm gonna go live later. Yebo, nami ndifuna ukwenza ikhanda. Uyakwazi ukugundisha isikopho. No, what the fuck? But like, yeah, uyawazi ama services uyawabona lapha ku TikTok and guys